Containerized data centers have become an industry standard due to their mobility and rapid deployment in almost any location. The Zella Max is disrupting the containerized data center market. While from the outside it looks like a standard container, Zella Max has a very different proposition. Let's look at the key features and benefits. The Zella Max solution is built on the time-proven Zella Pro series, and it'll reduce your initial investment by up to 80%. How does it work? The Zella Max is available as a 10-foot, 20-foot, or 40-foot shipping container, an enclosure for your Zella Pro micro data centers. As each Zella Pro is self-contained, including cooling, power, and security, you'll be able to start with just one. You can add more Zella Pro micro data centers as required, scaling on demand, just-in-time capital, or cost allocation. In comparison, other containerized solutions require a much larger upfront investment. As we've seen, each Zella Pro is completely independent, as it has its own cooling system, fire protection, UPS, switchboard, and security. This is unique to Zella DC. You'll be pleased to know, in the unlikely event that one Zella Pro fails, the remaining units will continue to run as per normal, minimizing potential disruption. For example, standard containerized solutions rely on the container's cooling. If the container's cooling system breaks down, then all the racks in that container will suffer. As each Zella Pro is cooled individually, if there's a fault, this will only affect the individual unit. Each Zella Pro is also available with a redundant cooling system. Each Zella Pro is a completely sealed environment and is also IP65 rated, which means your critical IT infrastructure is protected from dust and water. Each Zella Pro has its own secure access. This is particularly beneficial when it comes to joint ventures where shared IT infrastructure needs to be accessed by separate IT teams. With Zella Max, you won't require any specialist personnel on site, as Zella Pro can be monitored and managed remotely and requires very little maintenance. Zella Pro has been designed in a modular fashion to allow for local contractors to commission and install. This has been a game changer in the industry, particularly for customers with remote deployments where the cost and scarcity of specialist skills has always been a barrier. As the Zella Pro is highly energy efficient, you can look forward to reduced overall power bills as well as reduced carbon emissions. Zella Max is an ideal data center solution for many industries, such as telecom, government, infrastructure, healthcare, defense, entertainment, etc.